See, that turns into Orangeburg. You see the deformed shape, and it's black. So that tells me it's Orangeburg pipe. You can see the blister there on the bottom right. That's what happens with Orangeburg. Orangeburg is a paper pipe, like a paper towel insert tube. It's cellulose, which is paper saturated with bituminous, which is roofing tar. It tends to delaminate over time, and those blisters develop. What happens, you go in there and clean them. The plumber snake doing the cleaning cuts into the blisters. Now, it appears that the Orangeburg pipe is in fair condition, but you really need to call it poor because this Orangeburg pipe is no longer legal. But as long as it works, you should be good. So it's no emergency, but you just need to be aware of it. That if you do have problems, you'll probably end up having to replace this entire length that goes from this clean out across the back all the way to that southeast corner.